We are in the land of file formats. We will see why we have different file formats and what is happening right now with them. We all know there are two different computer giants, Microsoft Windows and Apple MacBook. When these two giants started for consumers, there is a difference of day and night in their product and in their use. Windows had a text file, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher to create reading materials of different kinds. People who had Windows are only able to see those documents. Mac, on the other hand, had text edit, pages, numbers, and keynote as their main software. Though both of these companies had similar idea to reach out to the consumers, since they had different softwares, they were only presenting information to particular individual. It didn't reach the community at large. Microsoft Windows product was mainly used for production in offices, schools, universities. It was one of the major production unit around the world even today. Apple MacBook, however, was designed to a different audience of designers. It was created with them in mind for artists who can create designs, multimedia products, and so on. As users started using computers in their office and production environment, two things evolved: open source and the internet, where they needed to share their information in one common way. So a new software called PDF came into existence. It was merely an image of what the user saw in the document format. Windows users did not have to have Mac software to see what was written using Mac software. Likewise, Mac users did not have to use Windows software to see what was created using Windows softwares. As users start sharing information with PDF, more operating systems came into practice. With Windows and Apple, we had Android, Linux, and Unix open source softwares, operating systems that came for people who did not want to be controlled by these two giants. The invention of HTML and the browsers and web fonts changed the way users used their devices for work. Then came the handheld devices. First, the iPhone, iPad from Apple, and the first Kindle by Amazon made a revolutionary change in the industry. Now we have iPad, Amazon Kindle, and Microsoft Surface trying to compete for the consumer's purse and interest as a handheld device. Interaction capacity, gaming capacity, entertainment capacity drove the consumer market for all these devices. The development of web technology, user-friendly technology, and convenience made all those softwares, Word, Pages, Excel, etc., to turn into apps so that the consumers can use them in any device they use. Now you can get Microsoft Word or Apple Pages or Google Documents in all these different app stores from Apple, Google Play, Amazon, Android, and Windows App Store. Apple App Store seems to be in the leading edge in US market. Google Play is taking the next lead in the worldwide market. Amazon and Android app stores are still trying to catch up, and Windows App Store is mainly used by the Windows users so that they can use their handheld device, Microsoft handheld device. Because of the web technology, HTML became the building block for EPUB and the apps available. PDF also is becoming a web technology where people can send documents for official and secure signature. We will focus on PDF, HTML, EPUB, and interactive magazine apps in this land.